Noise. Stuck in traffic. 8:13 p.m. Cause somebody think he really need to go 30 in the 30 zone. Because he's a stupid asshole. Not thinking about other people, he's just thinking about himself. All he's thinking is, I don't want to get a ticket. Everybody else is gonna wait. I don't want to get a ticket, and nobody ever gets anyone in this fucking 30 zone. Look at this. Nobody moving. We are moving so slow. My motorcycle's about to stall. And we are braking again. For absolutely no reason except for the bus in front of us. And who is gonna go right? Everyone is gonna go right. No, the red Renault is not going right. And the black Renault is not going right either. But I'm going right because I'm going to McDonald's. Whoop. What? Oh, Moped King! Moped King! It's good. Yeah. Yeah. Lots of noise and still slow as shit. That's almost like my bike. Except my bike goes quick. And it's actually not that loud. Well, more or less, I guess. I dare him to go 30 in the third zone here. If he goes 30, I go past. Oh, he's going 30. I shift down 5th gear, shift down 4th gear. Absolutely unnecessary. I have enough power in 6th gear too. I have power in all the gears. This guy has his blink on for like 2 minutes and now he's gonna pull over. Wait for it. No. Yes. Stay over there, motherfucker. Stupidly lane changing all the time. Stupidly lane changing all the time. He's gonna pass us. He didn't want to change lane after all. Why am I always in the slow lane, man? It doesn't matter, McDonald's is around the corner. I think should be right there. I'm gonna take a whole parking spot with my motorcycle because I'm an asshole. Fuck you. It's my parking spot. Get your own.